Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you a review of the GoGo Endurance Li by Pride Mobility. The GoGo Endurance is unique because it has a lithium battery pack and it can support up to 325 pounds. Now the lithium battery pack has options. You can get the standard, which is going to weigh only 8 pounds. And it's going to give you a little bit less of a travel range, but it is TSA friendly. But I gotta be honest, it weighs almost nothing compared to most battery packs. Something else is that it has full suspension, front and rear suspension coils. It's gonna give you an ultra smooth ride when you're going over some of those pesky cracks and imperfections on the roads and sidewalks that you're probably familiar with. So if you need something with a smooth ride, the Endurance is definitely a great choice. It also has a bunch of bells and whistles. It has a front LED headlight, a Delta tiller, which is easy to operate with just one hand. It has a charging port that's located up high, and a fuse board which allows you to check fuses up high. You do have a secondary charging port, a set of fuses, and a breaker reset switch on the removable battery pack. Taking it apart and traveling with it is a breeze. It breaks down into 5 lightweight pieces. Now, we're gonna go over all the specs and more so you can see firsthand what it's like to own one of these mobility scooters. We're even gonna take you on a ride-along adventure so you can see what it's like to sit in the seat and take it for a ride. So stay tuned to the end. Now, before I go any further, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you should get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts and ask them for a copy. They can process the request for you, or you can go ahead and click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Feel free to also visit one of our stores to claim a copy or to test drive one of these GoGo Endurances for yourself to see what it's like in person. So let's go ahead and talk about the specifications. At the time of this video, the price of this product is $1,599. Now, I'm just recording the screen while I'm going to our website, again, mobilitydirect.com, and we'll go over a few of the specs. It does have a 4.2 mile per hour top speed, and again, a 325 pound weight capacity. The heaviest piece weighing in at 40.75 pounds. Now, depending on which battery you can get up to 14.4 miles with the upgraded or 7.2 miles with the standard battery pack. It also has a 3.25 inch ground clearance and an incline rating of up to 6 degrees, which is standard. It's definitely going to get you up most ramps. The dimensions are 42 inches long by 20.5 inches wide. And depending on which seat you get, you do have options. You have a 17 inch wide by 17 inch deep and a 20 inch wide by 18 inch deep upgraded seat option. Now, there are several other specs that you can review on our website. I'll put the link in the top right hand corner where it says specifications if you want to learn more. I will tell you that it comes with a 1-year in-home service agreement and a 2-year warranty on all the electronics, as well as a limited lifetime warranty on the frame. Now, like all Pride Mobility product, you can expect this unit to provide you with many years of hassle-free use. They include that 1-year in-home service agreement for free, which means that if you do have a warranty-approved claim to get warranty parts, they'll dispatch a technician to your home. You don't have to go anywhere. And that speaks volume to the confidence that Pride Mobility has in their products. Now, before we go any further, I do want to tell you about our giveaway program. If you subscribe and leave a comment, not only will you get notified when we release new videos, but you're also going to get a chance to win a free mobility scooter. Like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now, all they did was subscribed and commented, and they won a free mobility scooter. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll go ahead and continue on with the ride-along and review portion of this video next. All right, so like I said, folks, this has a single-handed use throttle system known as a Delta tiller. So you can use just your left hand or your right hand to control the forward and reverse. It's got a really easy to use ignition and speed control knob with a tortoise and a hare on it. You do have that charging port located up high. You have the light switch on the left side up high. And we're gonna go ahead and take you for a little stroll just to show you what it's like to ride the GoGo Endurance if you own one. Now, I do want to tell you that besides the GoGo Endurance, there's many other GoGo models. All of them are designed for travel. They either come apart into 5 lightweight pieces or they fold up We do have an educational video, which I'll throw in the top right-hand corner where it says GoGo educational video, so that you can learn about all the other GoGo models out there and what makes each one of them unique. Overall, I will say that the GoGo series is one of the most dependable travel-friendly mobility scooter options on the market, backed by an industry-leading warranty. They're just designed really well, they're super durable, and again, they come with that industry-leading warranty support that I was telling you about before. You really can't go wrong with a GoGo scooter regardless of which one you get. It really just depends on your needs. So I encourage you to watch that video so that you can learn all about the different options and which one is going to be the best fit for your needs. Now, we're in the parking lot of one of our stores in Southeast Florida. We're just cruising around the plaza right now where we have the store, and there's a Walmart grocery store. We're going to make our way inside, but we're not going to go too far into the store. We're kind of just going to show you that yes, you can go shopping in a grocery store with one of these mobility scooters. Before we go inside, we're going to go ahead and take some turns, kind of weave in and out of the different obstacles along the way to show you its maneuverability. It does have a pretty good turning ability, and again, the suspension allows you to go over all these cracks and bumps on the sidewalk here without really feeling them at all, which is great for me because I do suffer from lower back pain, and sometimes those little cracks and imperfections in the road bother my back. So again, really smooth ride, super convenient to break down into 5 lightweight pieces. It fits in the trunk of most sedans. Definitely if you have an SUV with plenty of cargo space or a pickup truck, you'll have no problem putting it in the back. One thing though, if you are going to put it in the back of a pickup truck, you will want to cover it with a weather cover or like a barbecue cover so that it doesn't get wet if it starts raining if you live in a tropical climate where rain can be unpredictable. Once again, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. That way you can keep up with our new uploads. We upload videos several times per week, not just product review videos. We do a lot of awesome stuff on our channel. We do repair videos, DIY videos, maintenance videos, educational videos, entertainment videos, and a lot of philanthropy videos where we give mobility scooters to people that are less fortunate who couldn't necessarily afford them but really need them. So if you want to watch some really awesome emotional videos, I'd highly recommend checking out our giveaway video playlist, and I'll put the link in the top right hand corner so you can check that out as well. So here we are going through the back of the plaza now. To be honest, we're on flat pavement right now, so it's really not gonna show you too much as far as what its capabilities are off-road, but we did take it to a park. We took it on gravel, on grass, and it performed just fine. Fun fact, this is one of the only GoGo scooters that can support up to 325 pounds, and it has 8-inch wheels with a 3.25-inch ground clearance, so it is going to be able to go over grass just fine. However, the closer you are to that maximum weight capacity of 325 pounds, the less it's going to perform off-road and on grass and other surfaces like carpet that aren't solid, flat surfaces. So keep that in mind, folks. If you need something with a higher weight capacity, I'd check out the Victory series by Pride Mobility, which typically have anywhere from 350 to 400 pound weight capacity, and that's going to allow you to take it off-road if you're weighing closer to 300 pounds or even above 300 pounds in most cases. But I gotta say, the lithium battery on the GoGo Endurance is not only gonna make it super easy to take it apart and put it in the trunk of your car, but it's gonna give you that extended warranty of up to 2 years, whereas the standard batteries that are lead acid usually only come with a 6-month warranty. So for the price, it's really not that much more expensive than the other mobility scooters out there with standard sealed lead acid batteries. You're gonna get a really, really good warranty on the lithium battery if you get the Endurance. It's also one of the only GoGo scooters that has a 20-inch wide seat upgrade option, whereas most of the other ones only come with a 17-inch wide seat. So if you're like me and you've got a bigger rear end, you might want a 20-inch wide seat. It personally feels a little bit more comfortable for me with the 20-inch wide seat. We'll also tell you that the only color options available right now are a matte red and a metallic kind of gray color. So unfortunately, they don't have too many color options. However, we do some custom paint jobs locally, And I'll throw it on the screen for a second so you can check out the custom light blue color that we put on one of the Endurances not too long ago. So here we are turning into the Walmart grocery store. We go in this grocery store with scooters all the time and make videos, so it's not a problem. I can assure you that they are allowed in grocery stores, and I would highly recommend getting the rear basket attachment, which is going to give you a lot more space to carry some of your groceries, not just the front basket that comes with the scooter for free. So here we are demonstrating its turning ability behind the shop near the dumpsters. I gotta say, for a four-wheel scooter, it's super stable and can turn pretty sharply. You can check out other models like the Elite Traveler 2, which is gonna have the best turning radius for a four-wheel scooter, and it's very comparable to this model. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned. When we release new videos, you'll be notified. It'll be in your feed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.